Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Ford Motorhome, the ultimate blend of luxury and performance on wheels. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or a weekend getaway, this motorhome is designed to make every trip unforgettable. Stick around as we explore its incredible features, power, and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Motorhome boasts a powerful 6.7-liter Power-Stroke 5.8 turbo diesel engine, delivering an impressive 330 horsepower and a whopping 950 pound-feet of torque. This beast is built on the robust Ford F550 or F600 chassis, ensuring you have the strength and stability to tackle any terrain. Plus, with a 10,000-pound towing capacity, you can bring along all your favorite toys for the adventure. Interior. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious, modern interior that feels just like home. The motorhome features heated and massaging theater seats, a fully equipped kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and a cozy sleeping area that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people. The all-in-one control center and advanced safety features ensure a smooth and stress-free journey, no matter where the road takes you. Release date. Mark your calendars, folks. The 2025 Ford Motorhome is set to hit the market in early 2025. This highly anticipated release is just around the corner, so start planning your dream road trip now. Price. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Ford Motorhome comes with a starting price of around $289,350. While it may seem like a hefty investment, the unparalleled comfort, performance, and versatility make it worth every penny. Plus, with various customization options available, you can tailor your motorhome to fit your exact needs and preferences.